In this video, I'm going to show you how to play missions in GTA 5 story mode. So to play missions, simply click on escape, and here you will notice that there is letters. So if you see letters, these are basically missions and you have to go to them. Some of the letters come in different colors. For example, this one is in green, some of them will be in orange or blue. So depending on the color of this letter, you have to switch between characters. To switch, you simply press and hold Alt, and here you can switch between your characters. Usually, Michael is the blue one, and Trevor is the orange one, and Franklin is the one that is green. So depending on which character, you have to switch and to be able to play this mission. So just make sure you look for these letters, and once you go to them, you will be able to play the missions. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.